In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new stack in the Evernote mobile app. If you're trying to keep your notes more organized, creating a stack is a great way to group related notebooks together. In Evernote, a stack helps you manage multiple notebooks by placing them under one main category, which can make navigation much easier, especially if you have a lot of content saved in the app. To begin, open the Evernote mobile app and go to the Notebooks tab. This is where all of your existing notebooks are listed. Since Evernote creates a new stack by adding an existing notebook into it, the first thing you'll need is at least one notebook already available in your account. Once you're in the Notebooks section, find the notebook you want to place into a new stack. Next to that notebook, tap the three dots to open More Actions. This menu gives you additional options for managing that specific notebook. From the menu, select Add to Stack. This tells Evernote that you want to place the notebook inside a stack instead of leaving it as a standalone notebook. After tapping that option, choose New Stack. This is the setting that lets you create a brand new stack rather than adding the notebook to one that already exists. You'll then be prompted to enter a name for your new stack. Choose a clear and useful name that reflects the group of notebooks you plan to keep there. For example, you might use something based on a project, a topic, or an area of your life or work. Naming stacks thoughtfully can save time later when you're searching or browsing through your notes. After entering the name, tap Create. Evernote will immediately create the new stack and place that notebook inside it. At that point, your stack is ready to use. If needed, you can later add more notebooks to the same stack using a similar process. This is helpful if you want to build a more structured system over time without reorganizing everything all at once. And that's all it takes to create a new stack in the Evernote mobile app. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in keeping your notebooks tidy and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.